Hello everyone and welcome. I am Philip the True Tech Dad, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Philips Hue Lightstrip, the white and color Ambiance Lightstrip. I've been wanting this for my office, and actually I've been wanting it for my living room also. I've been wanting it for everywhere, but I'm going to unbox this, see what's in here, and show you what's in here, and tell you a little bit more about it. Now this works just like the other Philips Hue products. Now, what's in the box here is the light strip. Also, not really sure what this is called yet, but this is the light strip, and it has a adhesive on the back here, and that didn't work. Okay, a little Velcro strap around it, and this is it. Now, this one is the one that I got, was one you can connect other Hue light strips to it to make it longer, and you can also cut it to make it shorter, but I'm not cutting this. Here's the power supply, power adapter, and inside here is the cord that you will plug this into. And I guess you'll plug this other side into this. And some instruction booklets. Okay. Yeah, this is the Lightstrip Plus. So you're able to connect more light strips to it to make it longer, to do whatever you like to it. It's a lot thicker than normal light strips that you usually purchase. I'm going to plug this up. What do you do here? Let's see here. Alright, there we go. So, you see that. And how this works is you need you can just use it like this also. But also, if you already have Hue lights, Philips Hue lights, if you have a bridge, you will use that. And what I'll do is go ahead and have this start searching for the light strip here. And what's going to happen is it's going to start looking for it's starting to search now in the Philips Hue app. It's already found it. Yeah, there it is. You saw that dim, there you go. Well, alright, here we go. Now, as you can see, with this, I'm able to change the color of my phone to different colors. So I'm going to go ahead and get this set up and put it in the office, and I do hope you like my unboxing of the Philips Hue Lightstrip Plus. Again, I am Philip the True Tech Dad. If you did like it, press that like button, and if you're new to the channel, welcome, and press that subscribe button so you can get more videos of mine when they pop up. We'll talk to you later.